Well, that's it, Signals and Systems experts. That's all I have for you. And I hope you enjoyed the course as much as I enjoyed teaching you the course. This was my favorite subject when I was an undergrad, and it still is my favorite subject, I think. It's my favorite subject to teach as well. And I think I like I like it so much because of its wide-ranging applications and it being esoteric at the same time. So, we've talked about all of the different applications now. We talked about segmenting images, finding the borders on images or the edges on images. So this is valuable for things like facial recognition or object recognition or medical imaging, like finding the cornea in an eye scan or finding cancer, right? Segmenting the cancer in a CT scan from the rest of the image. We talked about a lot about in audio being able to filter out the highs or filter out the lows. This is how I got started in signals and systems. In high school, I was really into signals and systems because of guitar playing and electronic music. We talked about control systems. So you're going to need signals and systems for controls as well, feedback controllers, proportional blocks, integral blocks, derivative blocks. We talked about communications, transmitting and receiving different frequencies and the modulation properties and all those things. All brought to you by Fourier, by the way. And because we talked about discrete time and continuous time, we now can apply analog controls, analog communication, digital communication, robotics, some software applications. So really, I mean, this is highly applicable to any sort of electrical engineering field and a lot of different engineering fields. They don't have to be electrical, as we've talked about. Um, Also, all of these applications, and the subject seems so esoteric on the surface. If you just look at it on the surface, it looks like a whole different language, right? And I kind of like that too. I like the mathematics behind the course a little bit. Just all the e to the j omegas look a little scary at first, but once you get into it, you see that it's not too bad. All right, so again, I want to say thank you, and again, I hope you had a good time in the course, and I had a great time teaching it.